芝加哥。
芝加哥。
Squish. Cicero. Pop. Squish.
He had it coming, he had it coming. He only had himself to blame. If you'd have been there, if you'd have seen it, I bet you would have done the same.
Squish. Cicero. Squish. Cicero.
You know how people have these little habits that get you down? Like Bernie. Bernie likes to chew gum. No, not chew. Popped. So I came home this one day. Tell him what? Laying on the couch, drinking a beer and chewing. No, not chewing. Popping. So I tell him, if you pop that gun one more time. And he did. So I took the shotgun off the wall into his head.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Come on, baby, don't you paint the town. And all that jazz, I'm gonna rouge my knees and roll my stockings down. And all that jazz, start the car, I know a whoopee spot where the genie's call and the gallows hot. It's just a noisy hole where there's a brightly brawl and all that